What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Help, guys. So today I'm going to show you how to get the EPP code of your domain in GoDaddy. So quickly, what you want to do here is go to your domain. Once that's open, go click on domain right here. Go to domain settings. Scroll down. And then from here, what we want to do is simply transfer to another registrar. Click on this. Make sure that the domain lock is on, and then click on transfer to another registrar. And then once that is transferred, you will now be able to get your EPP code. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and, of course, the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Hub Guy.